When disassembling the panel, unscrew the 7 screws on the reverse side in order. Then the panel cover can be removed. After opening the panel, press the button at the leftmost for the suction motor. Check if the two lights indicated by the arrow respond. Next, inspect the drive mechanism of the vacuum motor. The yellow wire in the middle is the one that connects to the vacuum motor. You can use a multimeter to test whether this wire is functioning, because this is the signal line, which controls the vacuum motor.